How to turn off Safe Chat in Roblox on PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about turning off Safe Chat in Roblox on PC. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner and then go to settings from the drop-down menu. Here, you need to verify your age first. Make sure that your age is set to at least 13, and if you're 13 or older, you may need to verify your age with an ID. This process may take a few minutes. You can also try disabling the account restrictions. For that, go to Privacy and Content Maturity settings. Go through all these options over here, and there you will see the option of communication. Simply open it. Now set all the settings to everyone. Either it is who can message you, who can text chat with you, and also set who can text chat with you in app to friends. Now you can also try disabling the parental pin, which is optional. So go to parental controls and then disable the parent pin. And if you're a parent, consider carefully before disabling this feature, depending on your child's age. After that, log out of the Roblox account and log back in. Safe Chat now should be re-enabled. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.